Well, that's good. You have to have somebody on the out front to do the work, you know? Nicey, you sure say Tony alone you hide from?
What are you insinuating? That I'm hiding from the police?
Well, are you?
No, the bar have to close by a certain time because of curfew.
That me did a go ask you, you know. How run on your side still?
The place quiet now because the police them out and they tell everybody to come out for the road.
But a way for hill top thing go on. That nah fake, you know.
From something going on at anyone at the hill them, everybody under pressure.
Hey, just make sure you take care of yourself, you know. And don't make no boy this up for that, you know.
Or what?
What you mean? What you mean, or what?
So I go on if a boy diss me.
Not even gonna make you know. Can you feel like a chatting and just knock you for that, you know?
You love going like your body, no?
Go on like, go on laugh. You don't even know you're off. Man, I real knockies in the streets, you hear that?
Real knackies and work in a juice bar.
Hello, I don't work for people. It's an investment this year. I just because I put on certain things.
Please, make you just stay away there.
That's why I tell you, say no make no boy this year.
Alright, bad man. But I can defend myself.
No, you can defend yourself. You're still gonna need a man to defend you.
And the man there who? You?
I'm not judge you, you know. But I know so that place costs a pretty penny to set up. And it seems like you escape from Rona Tony. Is either that or...
Or what? You think me make a deal with the police? Or me skim some money from Tony?
You know where the brother did it now.
I found out after. And by that time, it was too late.
Too late?
I was the operation manager for 4 homes he had. And I thought he was impressed with my organizational skills. That's why I thought he took care of me.
By putting you in a lavish apartment of foreign and I pay you a ridiculous amount of money for doing nothing, that never seems strange to you.
At first it did. But then I thought it was because...
Because you think Tony did like you?
Yes.
You know what's me check for you, though?
No, me no know. And you are tell me now.
That don't style. Why you always a play so difficult? Eh? I'll Stevie one that can see me like you.
First of all, me not play. And yes, me to say you like me. But what you want me to do? Lay down on my back and tongue close pin for you?
What kind of thought that? Never said that, my girl.
So, what you expect me to do?
Just do the right thing. At least acknowledge say me like you.
Orlando, I like you. But I'm not going to run in and nothing with you.
Nah, say you have to run in. But you can walk slow. Just to make you know.
You want make me know? Well, me I make you know.
So, let me get this straight. You walking away from me wasn't because you get a golden opportunity, but because you think you find a rich coolie boy.
Don't say it like that, Trevor.
Then how me to see it?
It was an opportunity to make something of my life and to feel special.
So me never make you feel special.
Yes, to a point.
Nice. What you mean to a point?
I felt special until she started coming around.
She? Camille?
Who else?
I see. Camille is...
Yes, Trevor. He's your child's mother. And you have to interact with her. But you have 6 other baby mothers. And I didn't have to contend with any of them. So why her?
Because she the one who always come round. And out of all of them, she one act like a real baby mother.
And she's the one you obviously still have feelings for. Because now you're back together again.
That's because you walk out for me.
No. I made space for you to be with her. Because me know you did still love her. Trevor made it jealous. Whenever she come round, the energy between us is just too strong. And I can't compete with that. I no longer felt special.
You never know that.
I know you didn't. But I could see you still love her. And she wanted you back. No matter how tough she did appear.
And you feel like Tony could have given the special treatment where you stop get from me?
Maybe I was delusional, but yes. One person in this world that I thought I would always be special to isn't even talking to me.
Who that?
My daughter.
Daughter?